My tip would be to keep an open mind throughout the entire process. You might get film that turns out not exactly the way you imagined it would, but that doesn't mean the new idea that you come up with won't be just as good as the idea you had, but maybe better. My film started out as 3 separate films, but then I threw all those ideas into one, and I was happy with what I got.
Allow your idea to be malleable. Chase and I switched the direction of our film pretty late into the summer, and then we kind of had to scramble to submit it, but in the end we were able to create something that we were proud of, rather than backing ourselves into a corner of making something that was just mediocre in our minds.
Hey everyone, my tip's a little bit vague. It's more words of encouragement for anyone coming to the film festival with not a lot of background or experience in video editing or filmmaking in general. I'm a journalist and writer at heart, so when I submitted 2 years ago, I didn't think my video would get that far at all, because I was caught up in like the technicalities, and I was like, this editing's not that great. Kind of submitted it as an afterthought, but in the end, my tip is just, if you connect to your story, it's gonna connect, someone else will connect to it as well. That's the basic essence of storytelling, and it'll get conveyed through whatever medium. So just trust your story, storyboard it out, find the visuals to match it, and it'll take you far.
My best tip for documenting your travel experience is to definitely use your body to get those clean, stabilized shots. Use your wrist and your elbows and your knees and your leg and arm muscles to get that panning or tracking shot. You know, you're traveling, so you want to travel light. You can't carry around a big, heavy tripod, so definitely put your body to use. And good luck!